Today's episode, we will be revealing a transformation of a 3,260 square feet penthouse located in a quiet neighborhood in Subang Jaya. This 5-bedroom and 5-bathroom luxury penthouse has 7 hidden doors. In this episode, let us reveal the wonders behind each and every one of these hidden doors. If you're not subscribed to us yet, do it now and click on the notification bell to stay in the loop of more of our exciting episodes. We are also on Facebook and Instagram, so do connect with us there. The moment you enter the unit, a fashionable statement invites you at the entrance foyer. The designers from Nevermore had a clear vision to create an artful statement at this foyer, which acts as a lobby to the center of the penthouse, giving it a fine drawn division between the private and general spaces of the home. As you enter the property, the arch on the right leads to the private section of the penthouse, and on the left, an alluring glimpse of the dining area draws your attention.
My name is Yang. I'm the co-founder and creative director of Nevermore. The client brief was to have everything neat and seamless, and the selection of color tone by the client was to be of the dark wood accent. When you enter the property, my first sight is the entrance to a bedroom door, which wasn't something that I wanted as a first glance at this entrance lobby. We designed a feature wall filled as a storage cabinet, incorporated hidden door which leads to the existing bedroom. Then lastly, to create an artsy touch to the lobby, we commissioned a group of artists to hand draw this pencil art directly on top of the lamination doors. Somehow along the way, we have evolved towards a new movement touching base towards a European touch. And this project is a good example of Nevermore identities in designing towards a concept we call modern European.
The moment you pass through this tastefully designed arch, an exotic block of carefully selected Italian marble captivates your attention. In our previous episodes, it may seem rather familiar to see marble tops on kitchen counters, but this time around, Yang and his team got adventurous, wanted to explore the application of marble finish as a surface to the drawer cabinets. It may sound easy, but the weight of the solid marble stone would add a lot of extra weight to the drawers, which would potentially affect the drawer hinges lifespan, and also result in the drawers to be too heavy to be functional. The marble needed to be sliced thinner, and the grains needed to be laid out prior to installation to ensure the natural veins of the marble would match. And the final challenge is the workmanship, making sure precision of every single marble is aligned to perfection. The idea of the drawers being in marble finish was to create an illusion of a full block of such an exotic vein display from the Erbascato or Robeco marble. To ensure the marble stays as a statement of the entire dry kitchen, all the microwave, oven, and even the fridge were hidden neatly within the dark walnut cabinets.
One of the key requirements by the owner of this property was to optimize every corner of the house to be able to utilize as a storage cabinet. So we designed more storage space alongside with some display cabinets and tuck a hidden door that leads to a hidden powder room. The existing toilet needed an entire makeover, and we figure the powder room is hidden inside a constrained space now, so we wanted to make it a little surprise once you enter through the hidden door. The boot matching marble application in the powder acts as a piece of art as the foreground, and a final touch with a marble sculpture standalone basin complement the overall.
The designers decided to box up the walls partially on both sides. The intention was to create an arch that narrows down the perspective to each area, making every space from every angle looking like a framed artwork, using dark wood borders and dark mirrors to soften the bulkiness of the frame. The existing TV wall had two window openings on both sides. The designer's idea was to create a wide TV wall that could give a larger impression of the entire living area. 3 slabs of grain-matching marble was applied on the TV feature wall, paired with a creative use of wainscoting surrounding the marble wall as a contrasting feature. What was initially a balcony has been extended and converted into a bar area with full-height windows that overlooks the township of Subang Jaya. The island design was crafted to be a freestanding centerpiece which depicts the term minimalist. Speaking of minimalist, what I enjoy most about the works done by Nevermore is the element of surprise. At the surface, everything is kept neat and subtle, but behind every door, there lies a distinctive character that enhances the quality of each space. The full-height cabinets here were fitted with pocket sliding doors that opens up to a hidden basin area, which isn't just an aesthetic foreground, but a functional addition to the bar area. Another hidden space that has been camouflaged along the corridors leading to the bedroom is this man cave. If I didn't go through the floor plans, I would have certainly overlooked this hidden space. It was part of the owner's requirement to have a private reading and hobby room for himself, tucked away from distraction and getting himself set in his mode of focus.
There are 4 bedrooms in total, excluding the man cave and the maid's room. One of which will be the kids' room, which we have created a feature rock climbing wall to give the room a hint of exciting character. The 2 other rooms are highlights to our designs. The one with the balcony design in a darker tone, with a unique dressing table that proudly highlights the marble feature wall instead of conventional mirror. The last room that is parked in the center of the penthouse is designed with 2 hidden doors. One leads to the walk-in closet and the other leads to the bathroom.
Wasn't it amazing walking through a house tour of a penthouse with multiple hidden doors and hidden functionalities that would indeed uplift the lifestyle to the owners of this property? I wonder if the owners would have a hard time placing the location of the right doors that leads to some of these hidden rooms. Renovating a home is a crucial decision. Looking at the number of years that you foresee yourself living in that property would be a good benchmark to how much you should spend for that renovation. Good designs doesn't come in cheap, but bad design could end up with you spending even more costs. So we hope our series of design episodes could assist with giving all of you more inspirations and clearer direction and understanding of how you could project your future dream home. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seat. If you're not subscribed to us yet, do subscribe to us now and click on that notification button. I promise you there will be more and more exciting and compelling episodes coming your way. Thank you for watching.